हेलो दोस्तों, आज मैं आपको लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन कराने जा रहा हूँ। आंसर नंबर 36 ए पार्ट। डिफाइन द मोमेंटम ऑफ ए बॉडी ऑन व्हाट फैक्टर डज द मोमेंटम ऑफ ए बॉडी डिपेंड। आंसर the momentum of the body is the product of the mass and velocity of the body. The factor on which the momentum of a body depend are mass and velocity. B. Question. Calculate the change in momentum of a body weighing 5 kg when its velocity decreases from 20 meter per second to 0.20 मीटर पर सेकेंड। फिर हम तो मास इसमें 5 kg दिया हुआ है, यू हम तो 20 मीटर पर सेकेंड दिया हुआ है, वी हम तो 0.20 मीटर पर सेकेंड दिया हुआ है। चेंज इन मोमेंटम निकालना है, एम वी माइनस एम वी होता है, एम कॉमन हो जाएगा वी माइनस यू। फिर हम तो मास तो 5 दिया हुआ है और वी हम तो 0.20 दिया हुआ है, इसमें से 20 माइनस 33 5 मल्टीप्लाई माइनस 19.8। फिर हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दे रहे हो -99 kg मीटर पर सेकेंड। इस हो जाएगा आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 37। डिफाइन टर्म फोर्स। आंसर इज A force is an influence which tends to set a steady body in motion or stop a moving body, or which tends to change the speed and direction of a moving body, or which tends to change the shape and size of a body. B part. State the various effects of force. A force then produce the following effect. First, a force can move a stationary body. Second, a force can stop a moving body. Third point, a force can change the speed of a moving body. Fourth point, a force can change the direction of a moving body. Fifth, a force can change the shape and size of a body. Next question 38. Which one example each where? A. A force move a stationary body. Answer is kinetic. Sorry. Answer is taking a stationary football. B. A force stop a moving body. Answer is the force of breath can stop a moving car. C. A force changes the speed of a moving body. Answer is the speed of a flying ball increases because the earth applied a pulling force on it. D option. A force changes the direction of a moving body. Answer. The force adjusted by the cricket player bat changes the direction of a moving cricket ball. E. A force changes the shape and size of a body. Answer is the shape of a toothpaste tube changes when we switch it. Question number 39. A. What do you understand by the term balance force and unbalanced force? Explain with example. A. Answer is a balance force. It the resultant of all the force acting on a body is zero. The force are called balance force. Example: suppose you are pushing a wall. The wall does not move. Not move. It means that you and the wall are adjusting a balance force on each other. Unbalanced force. If the resultants of all the force acting on a body is not zero, the force are called unbalanced force. Example: ball moves from one place to another after kicking it. B. What type of force balance or unbalance act on a rubber ball when we press it between your hands? What effect is produced in the ball? Answer is when we press a rubber ball between your hands, balance force act on it and its shape changes. Next question 14. A part. What happened to the passenger cabin in a bus when the bus taken a sharp turn? Give reason for your answer. Answer is when a bus taken a sharp turn, the passenger tends to fall sideways because of their tendency of continue moving in the straight line. B. Why are road accidents at high speed very much worse than road accidents at low speed? Answer is vehicles with high speed have high momentum when they come to rest in very short time. They experience high force. The rate of change of momentum is force. Lower the time, higher is force. Multiple choice question. Question number 41. When a toothpaste tube is squeezed, its shape changes. The force responsible for this is an example of. Answer is balance force. Question number 42. The inertia of an object tends to towards an object. Answer is to resist a change in its states of motion. Question number 43. When we talk of a force acting on a body, it usually means. Answer is unbalanced force. 44. Question. A passenger in a moving train tows a train with force behind him. This so that the motion of train is answer is accelerated. Question number 45. When a hanging carpet is beaten with a stick, the dust particles start coming out of it. This phenomena can be best explained by making use of answer is Newton's first law of motion. Question number 46. A water tanker filled up to 2 thirds of its tank with the water is running with a uniform speed. When the brakes are suddenly applied, the water in its tank would. Answer is moves forward. Question number 47. If we release a magnet held in your hands, i- it falls to the ground. The force which makes the magnet falls down in an example of answer is unbalanced force. Question number 48. The inertia of a moving object depends on answer is mass of the object. Next question 49. When a rubber balloon held between the hand is pressed, its shape change. This happen because answer is balance for at on the balloon. Question number 50. Which of the following effect cannot be produced by an unbalanced force acting on a body? Answer is change in shape of the body. Next, question based on high order thinking skills. Horse. Question number 51. A plastic ball and a clay ball of equal mass travel in the same direction with equal speed stand against a vertical wall. From which ball does the ball receive a greater amount of momentum? Answer is as both the balls have equal mass and equal velocity, so the ball will receive equal momentum from both the ball. Question number 52. A moving bicycle comes to rest after some time if we stop pedaling it. But Newton's first law of motion says that a moving body should continue to move for e- even unless some external force acts on it. How do you explain the bicycle case? Answer is the bicycle has been tempered to change its states of motion by the external force of air resistance and friction. If there were no air resistance and no friction to oppose the motion of the bicycle, Then, according to the first law of motion, the bicycle would go on moving forever. Question number 53. A man throw a ball weighing 500 down vertically upward with the speed of 10 meter per second. First, what will be its initial momentum? हम तो मास दिया हुआ है 1500 ग्राम वी हम तो 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड दिया हुआ है पी इक्वल टू एम वी होता है पी और 500 डिवाइड 1000 रजिस्ट्री होती है ये ग्राम में दिया हुआ है इसको हम तो तेजी बनाना है इसलिए 500 डिवाइड 1000 मल्टीप्लाई 10 फिर इसका 5 तेजी मीटर पर सेकेंड इसका आंसर हो जाएगा सेकेंड वट वुड बी इट्स मोमेंटम एट द हायर पॉइंट ऑफ इट फ्लाइट आंसर इज P equal to mv P equal to 500 मल्टीप्लाई 1000 मल्टीप्लाई 0 फिर इसका आंसर 0 हो जाएगा ठीक है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 54 ए कार इज मूविंग ऑन ए लेवल रोड if the driver turns off the engine of the car speed decreases gradually and ultimately is come to a stop. A student say that to force act on the car which brings it to a stop. What could this force be? Which of these two forces contributes more to slow down and stop the car? Answer is force of friction and air resistance friction. Question number 55. There are two types of force S and Y. The force belong to type S that produce motion in a stationary object but cannot change the shape of the object. On the other hand, force belonging to type Y cannot produce motion in a stationary object but can change the shape of the object. What is the general name of the force such as AS? Answer is unbalanced force and B Y. आंसर इज बैलेंस फोर्स ठीक है एस हो जाएगा अनबैलेंस फोर्स और वाई हो जाएगा बैलेंस फोर्स आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो आप उस लाइक करें एंड सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन क्लिक करें थैंक यू